Teenage girls.
Oh my gosh.
Teenage girls. Little deer.
They're coming closer. Each trip a little bit.
Okay, I'm taking a video. Frolic! Oh look, that one's doing something.
Oh, can we eat the stick?
Eat the ball. No, eat that one.
That one looks old because it's kind of gray.
Ooh.
Or maybe it's just thick and gross.
Or maybe it just got done being a fawn. What if it came over here and was like, hey guys, I'm Rita. Hey.
But their noses are all black. From a reindeer to a deer without a red nose.
Yeah, camouflage.
It just looked at me. It just looked at me.
It's communicated with you. What are you feeling in your soul right now?
Oh look, he's gonna
Happiness.
bother them. Bother.
I want him to bump it in its butt.
I got that on video. I got that on video. Oh my god, they're doing something.
Did it take it? Oh, it's
I don't even see where it's. Oh.
It's down there. It's down there.
We
got flipped. Oh no.
Yeah, this is not show up on camera. Oh, look, it's in the. Oh, it's a deer running. I have footage. Look at it run. This is a frisky one. He's so frisky. He's so dumb. Okay, go. Oh, you are too? Go, Carolyn. Go, Carolyn. You can do it. You can do it. Fly. You. Okay, recording. Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like onions, you guys. I don't.
I don't like onions either, but I like peppers. And I love this too.
Sandwich time.